Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we're having an adventure. We started our adventure outside. If you've seen the videos that I've posted about that. If you haven't, it's because the sound quality was bad. I had to come in. I was being attacked by bugs, there were planes, there were jets, there were helicopters, there were people screaming in the backyard of the house behind me. It was a full-on adventure. So we've moved inside and this is just, full disclosure, this is my August Ipsy bag. We had a couple hanging out there. I have moved on to some of my newer bags and I was just going to skip these and I decided, you know what, I'm not skipping them. We'll just do them. They'll be late. I'll let you guys know if you want to look at them. They're here. So if you're here, thank you so much for coming in. Oh, that's a pretty bag. And it feels kind of like satin. I haven't seen anybody unbox this, so I haven't heard anybody. I like this bag a lot. Have you guys seen this? It's got a real satin look to it. And look, the zipper pull matches the... That is a really, really nice bag. That is my favorite Ipsy bag in quite some time. Ooh! Almost missed a brush. Anything else? Nope, I think that does it. Well, we will start with him. This is just a liner brush. Well, not just a liner brush. You can use it for your brows too. Depends on what kind of brow glue you use. But I usually use these if I have a palette out and it has a really dark brown or a really dark black. Sometimes I'll take my setting spray and spray it on the back of my hand, and then I will take one of these brushes and dip it into the setting spray and then dip into the darkest color in the palette that I'm using and just do a tight line just to give me a little more definition. You know, they say as you get older, everything just starts to fade away. So just to help my eyes pop just a little. I didn't do it today. Let's hope I have paperwork. I do have paperwork. Hotel Paradise, August 2022. That is what that looks like. And we have information. So let's see what they told us about that brush. What do they call it? Estate Cosmetics eyeliner brush. So they do want you to do your eyeliner with it. But also if you have a pot, a cream, or a powder eyebrow, you can also dip this into it and shape up eyebrows really nicely. It gives you a lot of control. This says, line your eyes like a total pro with this eyeliner brush. The firm bristles will help you create crisp, straight lines easily. Dip the brush directly into the eyeshadow or cream eyeliner, then trace it along your lash lines. It has a $10 value and it's Estate Cosmetics. It says Estate on it. I just saw that. I didn't see that before, and it's got some heft. I like the weight of it. I like the way it handles. I will probably use this. Reaching into our bag of the unknown, we have something wrapped up in little bubbles. It's cute. It is an Araceli, so it's probably eyes. Azteca Eyes con Agave. So that is what that looks like. Let's see what colors we have. I'm going to go ahead and shut this back up and set it aside for a giveaway. I never ever reach for singles or duos. I wish that I would. Alas, I do not. So I will go ahead and set this aside. It's very pretty. This says that I got them in copper and chocolate from Araceli Beauty. If it were the full-size product that was 6.6 grams, it would be $30. I think this says it's 1 gram, so that would be about $5. And it says, get the best of both worlds with this eyeshadow duo featuring a neutral matte chocolate shade and a shimmery copper shade in a non-creasing, non-caking, and moisturizing formula thanks to agave extract. Next out, I have Jasmine Beauty. I don't know what it is. It's pretty. See how it says Jasmine through the word beauty in the background? Let's see what it is. It is a Luxe Lash Volumizing Mascara. Falsies-like length without the hassle? Sign us up. The wand has a thicker brush base that evenly combs through lashes for a clump-free finish, plus a tapered tip to grab those small, hard-to-reach corners. If it was an 8 ml full-size, it would be $24. They didn't help us with mls. This one has it in ounces, so it's 0.17 ounces. I am going to go ahead and leave this sealed because I am working a lot of mascaras right now. And next out, I have the Briogeo Scalp Revive Charcoal and Coconut Oil Micro Exfoliating Shampoo. And I believe this is what I picked because I got the charcoal and tea tree serum for my husband out of my FabFitFun, and I thought this would be fun for him to try together. This is a nice size though, considering he doesn't have much hair. So this will work perfectly. It is 1 fluid ounce, and the paperwork says Even your scalp needs exfoliation. This shampoo helps to deep cleanse your hair and scalp while removing dandruff, dirt, and impurities. A clean and healthy scalp is the best environment for strong, healthy, bouncy hair. If this were 8 ounces, it would have a $42 value, and it's 1 ounce, so wow. So that makes this just a little over $5 too. Wow. And last out we have Juliet Has a Gun. Oh, Lily Fantasy. I don't think I have ever tried this one. I think I've only ever tried the original Juliet Has a Gun. So let's see what this smells like. I'm gonna see if I can tell without spraying it, because next I have a, oh, it's a good size. I have a Lush box sitting next to me, and I don't want to ruin my palette. So let's see what this looks like. It's a really, really good size. I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll spray it on the paper. I'm gonna spray it way over there. Oh look, it has a little lid, so if you liked it, you could travel with it. I don't love, thus my hesitancy, I don't love the Juliet Has, totally got it on my hand, the Juliet Has a Gun original scent. Oh, I like this one. Oh, this is very nice. Juliet Has a Gun Lily Fantasy. Up the ante in your fragrance collection by adding this enchanting scent, white flowers, and ambery notes with a bubblegum gourmand twist. It comes together in this feel-good, smell-good cocktail. I don't get it, but that could be me. We've done scents on the channel, you guys know. It's not my forte. If this were 100 ml, it would be $135, and we have 5 ml. Oh, I can math that. Okay, I can math it. So we have 1/20th. So about $6.50, I think. Go ahead and do your calculator. Beep boop, beep boop. I'm not saying I nailed it with $6.50, but I'm saying about $6.50. That is my regular Ipsy bag. That was my regular Ipsy bag for August. I had the Juliet Has a Gun, the Briogeo Scalp Revival, this really cute brush. You guys know I do love a brush, but I could use a new liner brush, so I am happy to have that. The little duo eyeshadow and the mascara. So for $13 plus $1.99 shipping. So basically they raised the price, but they didn't want to raise the price, so they just added a, are they calling it shipping or I think they're calling it a handling fee. Potato, potato. We have these 5 products for about $15. Let me know below what you think. What did you get in your box? I have had for like the last 2 months, so let's say June and July, I had off the charts spectacular bags. I mean, they were so good that it makes this one kind of like, but this is what Ipsy always was. It was nice deluxe sizes. I have a full-size brush. That's kind of what Ipsy's always been. This is what you can expect when you sign up. And if it's better than this, then it's exciting. Okay, thank you so much for coming by, guys. I appreciate you taking time to be here. I hope you will subscribe if you are not already subscribed. Please like and hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. I will see you really soon, I hope. Take care, guys.